Didn't do bad, we didn't do bad, oh, we didn't do bad, we didn't do bad. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we're back again with another video. So today's video is another challenge on my channel. So guys, today's challenge is the powder only makeup challenge, and this video is in collaboration with other fantastic beauty and lifestyle content creator here on YouTube, and they are Celine Okere. Celine Okere is the next person I'm collaborating with is IZIBILI Mercy. I also collaborated with HD Signature. They are all fantastic beauty YouTubers, and you should go check them out when you're done watching this video, and subscribe to their channel. Let them know Daniela sent you. I'm sure they're going to welcome you with open arms. So guys, if you just see my face for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. As you're watching this video, I'm going to give you just a few seconds to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss any new posts whenever I post a new video on my channel. And if you're an OG, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You all are the real MVPs. So guys, let's get into this challenge video. So guys, let me just get you in with this challenge. It's a powder only makeup challenge, so no liquid liners, no mascaras, no lipsticks, no liquid eyeshadows, no anything, just strictly powder products, no lashes, no primer. Isn't that fantastic? I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I really don't know what I'm going to do. This is the powder only makeup challenge, but first I'm just going to take my hair back. So I'm going to be taking the lightest shade in the Royal Makeup palette, and I'm going to be using this as a face primer. I'm just going to be distributing this around my face, especially around my T-zone area. So the next thing I want to do, I'm going to go ahead to I don't even know what next I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead to use my powder shade. It's not like I haven't done this challenge before. Like, I had done this challenge before, and when my friend reached out, I was like, this is going to be like a piece of cake. But man, it feels like it's harder. So I'm going to be using the lightest shade in my Royal Makeup palette, and I'm going to be highlighting the areas I would normally highlight with lighter shades of powder. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to use the darkest shade in my Royal Makeup palette, and I'm going to be contouring my face with this powder. It's really funny. So I'm going to be going in with this other smaller brush, well, not too small, and I'm going to be contouring my nose, like the sides of my nose, with the same powder shade I used from my Royal Makeup palette. So the next thing I want to do now is to do my eyebrows. So I don't have like an eyebrow powder, so I'm going to be using a brown shade from my eyeshadow palette. I'll be taking this shade from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to be using my spoolie to brush my hair in place, and using a very small angle brush to apply. Aha! bad. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing for the other eye. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with my Real Makeup Powder palette, and I'm just going to be tapping one of the lightest, powder shade on my eyelid. I don't think I really want to do anything dramatic for my eyelid. I know I'm also allowed to use really matte shades, like matte eyeshadow shades, but I just feel like there was no point, doing a lot on my eye. So to contour my eyelid, I'm going to be going in with that shade I used to do my contour, and I'm going to be applying this on my crease line, beginning from my outer crease down into my inner crease. So to highlight my eyebrows, I'm going to be beginning with my powder shade, just to slightly clean off, whatever mess that's around my eyebrows. I'm still using the same powder palette to do this. So I'm going to be going in with my own powder shade from the same Real Makeup Powder palette, and I'm going to be applying my powder all over my face and dusting off those excess powder you find on my face. To line my eyes, I really don't know how I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to be using the black shade in this Aloe Magnet eyeshadow palette by BMO, and I'm going to be using this to line my eyes using that same angle brush I used to do my eyebrows. We didn't do bad though. We didn't do bad. We didn't do bad though. So for my lip color or lipstick, I'm going to be using this blush from Milani Cosmetics. Line my lip, I'm going to be using this angle brush and the powder shade I used to contour my face to line my lips. Don't forget to head over to other people's channel, HD Signature, IZIBILI Mercy, and Celine Okereke, and also watch their videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel and let them know that Niella sent you. Guys, before you guys come for me in the comment section, let it be known that this is just a challenge. Like, it's just a fun challenge. No, it feels like my eyebrows is red. The liner, I don't know, it makes me look a little older than I would normally look. And the lipstick, I have no words. See you guys in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye.